Students, 13.1 is over. Now let us go to exercise 13.2. I shall deal with the question number 1 and 2 in this video. Please read the question before you start watching the solution. The question number 1, if you read the question, you will understand that they are talking about a hemisphere. So let's say this is my hemisphere, and on the hemisphere a cone is standing. Okay, this is the kind of structure you have, and a radius of both of them, that means the hemisphere and the cone, is 1. So this is my radius, that is 1 centimeter, and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Height is equal to radius, so radius is 1, so height of the cone is also 1. Please remember, they are talking about height of the cone but not the entire device. Okay, now you have to find the volume of the entire device. So the volume of the entire device is of course going to be volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere, isn't it? Okay, I am writing in short form, please write in full form in exams. Okay, so the volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, and for the hemisphere it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now both the cone and the hemisphere has a radius same, so from these two terms I can take 1 by 3 pi r square common. I am left with h plus 2r. Okay, if you read the question, you will understand that they are telling you to find the volume in terms of pi, so we are not going to substitute the value of pi. I will substitute the rest of them. So 1 by 3 into pi, pi to me substitute no karu, radius to 1 hoy, so 1 square, my height is also 1, height of the cone is 1, plus 2 into radius is again 1. So this will give us finally 1 by 3 into pi, 1 square 1, so I am not going to write that. Inside this one, if you calculate, this will be 3, so 3 and 3 will be cancelled. Final answer will be pi centimeter cube. I am finding volume, so centimeter cube. Okay, very easy. So this is question number 1. Now please read the question number 2. Very long question, please pay attention and read the question. If you read the question, understand that they are talking about a student and she has designed a device. The device has a cylindrical portion and on its end there are two conical portions. So the device looks like this. Okay, now it is being mentioned over there, the diameter is 3. So if diameter is 3, how much will be radius? Half of that, that means 3 by 2. Okay, now the height of the entire model is 12 and height of the cones are 2 centimeter each. So this is 2, this is 2. So if I apply obviously common sense, total was 12, 2 and 2, so this cylindrical portion, my height will be 8, isn't it? Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to find the volume of the entire device. So if I go to the solution part, the volume of the entire device will be obviously volume of the cylinder plus volume of the two hemispheres. There are two cones rather, not hemispheres, two cones, isn't it? So now cylinder formula is pi r square h. There are two hemispheres, so 2 will be there, and hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so now pi is 22 by 7, radius is 3 by 2, so 22 by 7, let me put all the values, radius is 3 by 2, square 3 by 2, height of the cylinder is 8, not 12. Okay, so this will become 4 by 3, pi is 22 by 7 into r cube, that means 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. After this you can take common and calculate. Your final answer should be 66 centimeter cube. Alright, So question number 1 and 2 are discussed in this video. Next I shall discuss with question number 3, which is extremely important from examination point of view.